Welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a quick review of the plan and pricing for Askify. Now, Askify, as we know, is a browser-based tool that helps give answers as you browse. Now, let's look at the plans and which you should choose. You can start with a free plan and upgrade as you go, and all plans include their core AI features. Now, the free plan is perfect for getting started with AI-powered browsing. You can see what you get from it right here. So it's free forever. If you want to join, just click on Get Started. Then we have the Pro plan, which is the most popular plan, and the price is coming per year. So far, the price isn't on their website, as you can see, but it is ideal for power users and professionals. Unlimited AI queries are all the things you're going to get from it, but you can do the trial by clicking here. Then the enterprise plan also coming past, it's also the same thing. So it is built for teams and organizations. Sell the things they're going to enjoy from it. You can contact sales to get the pricing. So that's it about the plan. So it is the basic feature, that the free plan that has the basic features available right now, while the others offer unlimited queries and stuff, but their prices are not reflecting for now. Hope you found this video helpful. But do not forget that our plans include a 14-day free trial with no credit card required. You can cancel anytime, you get a 30-day money back guarantee, and it has 24/7 customer support. See you in the next video.